Puna. The London-based design firm 3Coil has developed a practical and useful multifunctional tool system in the form of an automatic weapon. Like a real gun, the device has detachable clips, a silencer, a barrel, and other parts that work as separate tools. In addition, the cylinder head can be used as a key holder. Along with the handle, they form a bottle opener. Under the appearance of a silencer, there is a small flat screwdriver. The barrel and upper part form a scalpel, while the two removable pliers are both flat and crossed screwdrivers. It is worth noting that all the elements of Puna can interact with each other. For example, to make the scalpel fit better in your hand, you can lengthen it with the help of the silencer, and if you need to use a screwdriver, then you can remove the clip and insert it on the other side. The kit also comes with a set of removable blades. The price of this curious tool system is $26. LA Police Gear Shovel. This universal shovel includes 10 useful tools that will be useful for survival or for general use in the wild. First, the device performs its primary function. The blade can be fixed in 3 different positions. The device has a 2-inch toothed part. It's useful when cutting branches or strings, for example. In addition, the LA Police gear is equipped with a 3-inch ruler for accurate measurements. Another feature is the removable handle, which contains other tools. In the upper part of the handle there is a magnesium and silicon rod, ideal to light a fire, and in the base we find a whistle to send signals in emergency situations. In addition, the handle is equipped with a knife and a can opener. This multifunctional shovel will cost you $40. G-Shock Rangeman GPR B1000. In addition to its basic functions, this watch is equipped with many other useful components. The device is equipped with a compass, barometers, and a thermometer. In addition, the GPR B1000 has a Bluetooth module to synchronize with various devices, as well as full GPS navigation with annotations, routes, and maps. In addition, to charge the built-in battery, developers have integrated tough solar technology, which uses sunlight to charge the device. However, the product comes with a wireless charger. The GPS-enabled G-Shock model can work for approximately 33 hours. The back cover of the device is made of ceramic, while a sturdy sapphire crystal protects the low-temp LCD display. The device also has a wide polyurethane strap with carbon plastic inserts. The launch of GPR B1000 is scheduled for mid-2018, and the price of these watches will be approximately $800. Tenkara Zoom Rod. The main characteristic of this fishing rod is the absence of a reel. The Zoom Rod includes a rod whose length varies from 8 to 16 feet. You only need 30 seconds to set up the desired fishing mode. This allows the user to easily move from shallow water to deeper areas without buying additional equipment. It should be noted that the handle of the fishing rod is made of a very resistant material, while the main part of the Zoom Rod is made of carbon fiber, making it easy to use thanks to its low weight and flexibility. The device is quite compact. When folded, it is only 25 inches long. The fishing rod can be purchased at a cost of $155. Agency Arms Glock 19. Adventurers will be able to protect themselves in extreme situations with this pistol, which is easily assembled and disassembled. This model is easy to use and works reliably. The Glock 19 is equipped with alternative modified barrels with a cooling system, and in addition, a collimation sight can be mounted on the shutter, ensuring more precise shooting, even with poor visibility. The cartridge has a minimalist but functional design, and the price of a Glock 19 pistol on average is $2,500. Rake-In. This unique blanket will help you survive difficult conditions in cold areas, as it can be heated with the help of any portable battery. The device is safe and easy to use, as it can heat you absolutely anywhere without the need for an electrical outlet, thanks to a portable battery. This device will not be damaged even in contact with water. The blanket has an instantaneous heating capacity that allows the user to warm up in just 30 seconds. In addition, Rake-In maintains the required temperature for 9 hours thanks to its battery, with a capacity of 10,000 mAh. This blanket can be purchased for $137. Poseidon. This waterproof portable charger performs several functions at once. Poseidon can be used as a flashlight for excellent visibility in the dark. In addition, the device is equipped with a micro USB cable compatible with Apple phones. The charging process of the phone is quite fast, thanks to the battery with a capacity of 10,000 mAh. Poseidon surpassed military standards in drop testing, ensuring the reliability and durability of this device. In addition, this gadget has 2 ports to charge different devices, so Poseidon is an excellent tool to keep the users and their friends' devices charged anywhere. The price of this device is $80.